Tara, samahan niyo ako sa kung saan masarap kumain, gumala, at magchika-chika. Samahan niyo ako at kakain tayo ng masarap na lechon belly at isang buong lechon na may kasamang ulam o san ka pa, plus affordable resort na located lang sa city. Fasten your seatbelt at tara na! Yung kakainan natin today ay malapit lang to sa kinainan ko nung last, yung pansit batil patong. Ayan siya. From Chichi's Pansit, diretsuhin mo lang yan at makikita mo ang 1855 Dian Street, Barangay Palanan, Makati City. Kaharap lang to ng Petron. They're open Monday to Saturday 11 a.m. hanggang 6 p.m. at close naman sila pag Sunday. Welcome to Tito B's Gabby's Lechon! Kaon ta? Kanamiton gid ni bala nga lechon niya, as in. Yung in-order ko dito is the lechon belly with rice, and sa murang halaga, makakain ka na ng masarap na lechon. Ililink ko ang kanilang Facebook sa comment section and sa description box para pag may question kayo, you can message them directly. They have a lot to offer. Meron silang lechon na pork belly, sisig, and mga lutong bahay. There, what I'm eating right now is their a la carte pork sisig. This is my fave, as in, sobrang sarap. Tama lang ang anghang at masarap talaga siya iulam. For their mode of payment, they accept cash and any mobile wallet. If you're from Makati or malapit ka sa area, this is something that I can recommend to you. This is a must try. Ang sarap ng lechon belly nila, guys. If you're going to order the one for 160 pesos. Madami yung portioning ng lechon belly na yun. And if you're still watching at this point, thank you so much for watching. Tara, samahan niyo ako kung saan masarap kumain at gumala. Wait! There's more! Lumipad ang aking team papuntang City of Smiles, Bacolod City. Welcome to Lagaw Resort. If you're looking for a resort na mura, malapit sa city, considering nasa Lacson area lang to, then Lagaw Resort is for you. Pwedeng mag-day tour or mag-overnight. Nasa comment section lang ang kanilang page. Syempre, in every celebration, dapat may cake, and this is a must-try. You should try this. I ordered this from a friend at ililink ko ang kanilang page sa comment section. And if you want convenience, masarap and affordable na lechon na set na meal, contact Eloham. Nina, thank you so much! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next vlog. And if na-miss mo ang previous upload ko, just visit my Facebook on my album entitled Mini Vlog. You can watch Mambucal Resort and Wildlife Sanctuary. Enjoy watching. Take care always. Have a nice week. Saan tayo next?